Percent error, or how wrong are you, is the next kind of topic we need to cover in our RP.3 standards. And percent error is very similar to finding percent increase decrease, but let's just think about what it means. Percent error, look at this question. It says Alan needs to purchase a bed sheet for his bedroom. Alan measured the bed as 7 feet, but the actual measurement was 6.5 feet. What is Alan's percent error? So how wrong was Alan? So when comparing experimental quantity with a theoretical, and we've talked about experimental and theoretical in probability, which is considered the correct value, the percent error is the absolute value of the difference divided by the correct value times 100. Now that just sounds like gibberish, so we're going to cross that out. And let's really look at it on the next slide. Again, very similar to the last formula you learned. Your percent error is your value, the one that you think it is, minus what it really is, divided by what it really is, then times 100. Or, in other words, it's basically your prediction minus what actually happened. And then you divide by the actual. So the prediction is your guess, and the actual is what really happens. So just subtract the two different numbers, and then divide by what it really should be, like the hardcore facts, what actually happened. Once you do that, again, you'll get a decimal, and you'll have to multiply by 100 to get the percent error. So looking at this problem and looking at Alan's bedsheet problem, his measurement or his prediction was 7 feet, and they subtracted the actual when you really measured is 6.5. What they got is 0.5. They can divide by 6.5 and then multiply by 100 to get an error of about 7.69%. So he wasn't too far off, but still off enough. Now we're going to try an experiment. Be ready to have some fun.